Hello and welcome to Watch Tonight, and today we are going to do a short biography on Bruno Mars. Bruno is Grammy award winning R&B singer. Let's go through his childhood briefly. He was born in 1985 on 8th of October. He was born in Honolulu, Hawaii. Let's check out his early life briefly. So he was raised in a Waikiki neighborhood of Honolulu. He is of Puerto Rican and Filipino descent, and he was raised in a family of musicians. At the age of 4, only he started performing in his family band. He graduated from President Theodore Roosevelt High School in 2003. Then he moved to Los Angeles after college to become a musician. So let's go toward his career. In 2004 he signed a record deal at Motown Records, but it wasn't pushed through. Before becoming successful as a solo artist, Mars worked as a music producer. He also wrote songs for many famous singers like Adam Levine, Brandy, Kingston, Florida. He released his debut studio album in 2010. His songs such as Just the Way You Are, Grenade became instant hit. A year later, he won first Grammy Award for the Best Male Pop Vocal Performance. His second album, Unorthodox Jukebox, hit number 1 on US Billboard in 2012. In 2014, he won Grammy Award for Best Pop Vocal Album for Unorthodox Jukebox. In 2016, he released his third album known as 24K Magic. This album went on to win numerous Grammy, including Album of the Year award. Let's go through Bruno Mars' physique. He has dark brown hair and dark brown eyes. These are his measurement of his body. And his height is 5 feet 5 inches and weight is 67 kgs. His distinct feature is a strong high tenor voice and wears a hat in his song. Let's check out his net worth. His net worth is more than $110 million. And most of it is from music. Let's go toward his family. Bruno, father name is Peter Hernandez. He was also a musician. He's also a musician, and his mother is Bernadette San Pedro Bayot. Bruno has 5 siblings, 1 brother and 4 sisters. Let's check out love life or dating history of Bruno Mars. Bruno is currently dating Puerto Rican model Jessica Caban since mid-2011. His dog name is Geronimo. Let's check out car collection of Bruno. Bruno owns Rolls-Royce and along with Cadillac, Prius. Let's check out his home. This is his Hollywood Hill house and it is worth $3.2 million. Check out other images.
Guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon from which you get the notification directly. So thanks for watching, and we'll meet soon in next video. Love you.